Graphic design is visual storytelling, combining images, words, and ideas to communicate clearly and creatively. Designers shape everything from business cards to app interfaces, making information both beautiful and easy to understand. Their job is to turn chaos into order, arranging text, images, and colors into a cohesive whole. Every choice, from headline size to image placement, guides the viewer's eye and clarifies the message. Creativity and problem-solving are essential. Designers must analyze client needs and craft visual strategies that work. Communication skills are just as important. They must explain ideas and collaborate with clients and teams. Great designers think critically about why a design works, not just how it looks. Their work influences how we perceive brands, navigate websites, and interpret information every day. Every logo, website, and package is shaped by a designer's hand. The goal: seamless, intuitive experiences that make the complex feel simple. Designers blend art, psychology, and technology to connect messages with audiences. A successful design feels effortless, clear, elegant, and memorable. There are many ways to learn graphic design, each with its own strengths. Formal education, like a university degree, offers structure, theory, and access to mentors and peers. Online platforms such as Coursera and Skillshare provide flexible, practical courses taught by industry pros. Self-study is also powerful. Read design books, follow blogs, and build your own projects to develop your skills. No matter the path, hands-on practice is essential. Create, experiment, and build a portfolio. Seek feedback from mentors and online communities to improve. Every project is a chance to refine your craft and showcase your abilities. Ultimately, learning by doing is what transforms a student into a designer. Technical skills are the backbone of a graphic designer's toolkit. Master design principles like balance, contrast, and hierarchy to create clear, engaging layouts. Branding goes beyond logos. Build complete visual identities with color, typography, and imagery. UX/UI design is crucial for digital products. Focus on intuitive, enjoyable user experiences. Print design still matters. Know how to prepare files for production and ensure colors translate from screen to paper. Typography is key. Choose and arrange type for clarity and impact. Proficiency in tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Figma is a must. The right software brings creative ideas to life with precision. Technical excellence sets your work apart in a competitive field. Mastery of these skills makes you indispensable in any design environment. Soft skills elevate a designer from competent to exceptional. Creativity fuels innovation. Explore, experiment, and challenge conventions. Communication is vital. Listen to clients, explain your ideas, and connect design to business goals. Strategic thinking means understanding the bigger picture and using design to solve real problems. Conceptual thinking distills complex ideas into simple, powerful visuals. Problem solving is at the heart of every project. Analyze challenges and develop smart solutions. Time management keeps projects on track and clients happy. Reliability and professionalism build your reputation. These skills turn designers into trusted partners, not just decorators. Mastering soft skills ensures lasting success in the industry. Graphic design offers diverse career paths. Advertising and marketing designers create visuals that capture attention and drive campaigns. Motion graphics and animation bring stories to life for video and digital platforms. Branding designers shape a company's entire visual identity, while illustrators add unique personality to projects. Web and app designers craft digital experiences that are both beautiful and functional. Packaging designers create eye-catching, effective product presentations. With strong technical and soft skills, you can choose a path that matches your passion. Graphic design is a field full of opportunity. Build your skills, and you'll shape the visual world.